Symptoms commonly associated with a urinary tract infection. A UTI is an infection that can occur in one of many places within the body's urinary tract. A person's urinary tract begins at the opening of the urethra and goes all the way to the kidneys. Organs such as the bladder, urethra, and ureters all make up the urinary tract. The fact that a urinary tract infection can happen in several different areas of the body means the symptoms a person may experience can widely differ. The most common symptoms that a lot of people experience when they have a UTI are discomfort and burning while urinating. In most cases, these are also signs that the infection has developed within the urethra, urethritis. However, there are some cases where it may mean the infection has developed within the bladder. Perhaps one of the most bothersome urinary tract infection symptoms is the constant feeling that you need to urinate. What many people find to be so frustrating about this symptom is even though they feel like they have to urinate, they are usually unable to go. Pressure in the pelvic region or pain in the low abdomen is often experienced when the infection is located in the bladder. A few of the other common symptoms often experienced with infections in this area include blood in the urine, and the painful and frequent need to urinate. Infections that have gone into the kidneys will often cause the symptoms of a high fever, pain in the side or back, shaking, chills, nausea, and even vomiting. Infections of this nature are referred to as pyelonephritis, and they can be very serious. Whenever it is suspected that a UTI has traveled to the kidneys, it is extremely important to seek treatment from a medical professional. Some additional UTI symptoms include urine that looks cloudy or has a foul-smelling odor and the unproductive need to urinate often. Women will frequently also experience pain in the pelvic region, and men tend to notice pain in the rectal area. Anytime the urine looks dark or pink in appearance, you will want to speak with your family doctor, as this could be a sign of cystitis or bladder infection. A vast majority of people can recognize the bothersome symptoms of a urinary tract infection quite easily, and this is especially true of women. This is simply because they frequently deal with a UTI much more often than men do. If you find yourself dealing with a urinary tract infection much more often than you'd like, there is a way to keep this type of infection at bay. This is to provide the body with plenty of water. This is a great way to ensure that toxins continue to be flushed out of the body. A regular intake of water is also important for the organs of the body and will help them maintain optimum functionality. Thank you for watching another Unstoppable Intellect video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to help keep the channel growing. Knowledge is power. Together, we'll make you truly unstoppable.